GWM Tank 500 Black Edition for the first time. With its massive black grille, luxury-inspired design, premium cabin, and serious off-road capability, this SUV is turning heads everywhere it goes. But the biggest question is this: is the Tank 500 really the new king of luxury SUVs, or is it just another overhyped newcomer? Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about SUVs on the market. The moment the Tank 500 Black Edition enters the scene, it makes a statement. This is not a vehicle designed to blend in. The bold black exterior gives it a powerful road presence, while the massive front grille creates an aggressive look that instantly grabs attention. The sleek LED headlights, muscular body lines, and premium black alloy wheels work together to create an SUV that looks expensive from every angle. From the side profile, the Tank 500 appears large, confident, and ready for adventure. Its strong stance and commanding proportions make it look like a vehicle built for both luxury and capability. Whether parked outside a five-star hotel or driving through rough terrain, this SUV looks perfectly at home. Step inside, and things get even more impressive. The black leather interior creates a premium atmosphere that rivals luxury brands costing far more. Every surface feels refined, every detail looks carefully designed, and the cabin immediately gives the impression of quality. The seats are large, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. Soft touch materials, elegant trim pieces, and modern technology surround both driver and passengers. Right in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster